I'm a business owner. I worry about inflating costs, keeping my customers happy, and making sure I get paid on time. Not about whether my insurance has gaps in the coverage. That's why I have Erie Insurance.
I chose Erie because the business policy was made for unique business owners like myself, with different tiers of coverage tailored to the size of my budget and business.
And if I have a claim, Erie is known for their top-notch claim service.
My insurance agent helps me understand the different coverages I need, whether it's guaranteed replacement cost, cyber, umbrella, or workers' comp, just to name a few. They can help identify possible discounts, too.
But my favorite part of being an Erie Insurance customer is I have full access to a risk control consultant who better helps me understand the risks I face in our industry.
As an Erie agent, I run my own business too, so I know the hard work it takes to see success. But my job is to protect your business, so you can continue doing what you do best.
Find a local Erie agent in your community and learn more about why business insurance with Erie is a smart choice.